Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this product, Peptonix Hair Oil. So you should try or not, and what are the main issues. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you this is a very newly launched brand. This brand is approx 4 months from now. It means this is a very newly launched brand. And if we talk about the results, if any brand is newly launched, so how you can trust it will really give you benefits. And in today's time this kind of product is very common, and you can see over here they have provided some information like minoxidil, and you can see like proven copper peptides. So minoxidil really give you results, but as they are proving like temporary hair results and countless side effects and causing further sheddings and all. So basically this is the same kind of product. When you use these kind of product, the results may be temporary. There is no proofs in the market like it will really give you amazing results or not. And we talk about like return and refund. As you can see on their website, they have provided return and refund, but after using product you don't have anything to return and refund. So how you will return? So you should not you can say trust on any reviews on internet. We cannot say 100% you will get results. Maybe you will not get results. In that case, what you will get, if you face some kind of side effects, in that case what you will do? You cannot do anything. You have lost your hair. So in that case what you will do? How you can claim, how you can get your compensation? So there are lots of issues. You should not try any product, any unknown product, any newly launched brand. You should not try because there is no proof available in the market. The real ingredient of the product, what is the real ingredient, and it will really safe for you, it will really safe for your hairs or not. So there are several factors including you can say on the basis of these factors I can say this thing like you should not try this kind of product, okay? But if we talk about if you really want to try, then you can go if the product is available on Amazon.com, because in some cases when you purchase product on these kind of websites, maybe money will be deducted but you will not get your product. In some cases we have noticed these kind of you can say issues. I have received lots of comments like they will not receive their product after placing order. So if the product is available in the market like e-commerce website, Amazon or any official website, then you can try it, and otherwise you can avoid, because this kind of product does not available on these kind of platforms, okay? So this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. I have done my job, now your turn, okay? So thanks for watching this video and bye bye.